Global companies with a strong ethical code of conduct for financial reporting. Johnson & Johnson, their credo emphasizes integrity and responsibility in public disclosures. J&J trains employees on ethics and compliance. There is also a bad news travels fast, open door policy for reporting issues. Starbucks, their standards of business conduct forbid unethical accounting and set expectations for SOX compliance. Concerns can be reported anonymously. Ethics are reinforced through training. Microsoft, the Finance Code of Professional Conduct stresses the importance of transparency, accuracy, and compliance in financial reporting. It is signed annually by all finance staff. PepsiCo, their global code of conduct covers integrity in accounting and financial reports. PepsiCo also has an annual code certification requirement for all employees. Intel's code of conduct prohibits improper influence or manipulation of financial reporting. Intel makes ethics a key part of employee performance reviews. Walt Disney Company, Disney's standards of business conduct set clear guidelines for ethics in accounting and SEC reporting. The board of directors must approve the code annually. FedEx's Purple Promise explicitly states ethical financial reporting as a core company value. Ethics training starts on day 1. Overall, a strong financial reporting codes emphasize transparency, accuracy, compliance, and accountability, and it is the senior management commitment that sets the tone at the top. Thank you for watching.